Business Environment and Strategic Management. Chapter 7, ASEAN and Global Environment. Chapter summary. Concept of globalization. Globalization is a process of integration among the people, companies, and governments of different nations. It refers to the increasing economic, cultural, demographic, political, and environmental interdependence of different places around the world. Forms of globalization. Economic globalization. Economic globalization refers to the shift toward a more integrated and interdependent world economy. Cultural globalization. Cultural globalization refers to the integration of the world in terms of values, beliefs, and norms. Political globalization. Political globalization refers to the integration of the world in terms of political ideology. Environmental globalization. Environmental globalization refers to the integration of the world in terms of environmental issues. Driving forces of globalization. Declining trade and investment barriers, role of technological change, microprocessors and telecommunications, internet and world wide web, transportation technology. Effects of globalization. Positive effects of globalization: improved quality of products and services, employment, foreign direct investment, growth in trade. Negative effects of globalization: loss of national sovereignty, competition, environmental degradation, unequal partnership. Regional economic groupings of nations. Regional economic groupings of nations is the association of nations in a particular region of the world to promote economic activities within the region for mutual benefits. It promotes free flow of factors of production within the countries in the region and work towards removing trade and other barriers among the countries. SARC, Preferential Trading Arrangement, SAPTA. SAPTA is a platform of the peoples of South Asia to work together in a spirit of friendship, trust, and understanding. Its goals are to promote the welfare of the peoples of South Asia and to improve their quality of life through accelerated economic growth, social progress, and cultural development in the region. Objectives of SAPTA: promote cooperation among the countries, aware the people about trade, employment generation, and enhancement of living standard of people, promote intra-regional economic cooperation, increase the volume of trade of the region out of the global trade. Principles of SAPTA: overall reciprocity, step by step negotiation, recognition of the special needs of the least developed contracting states. South Asian Free Trade Agreement, SAFTA. South Asian Free Trade Agreement, SAFTA, is motivated by the commitment to strengthen intra SAARC economic cooperation to maximize the realization of the region's potential for trade and development for the benefits of their people in a spirit of mutual accommodation with full respect for the principles of sovereign equality, interdependence, and territorial integrity of all states. Effects of SAFTA to Nepal. Positive effects of SAFTA: expansion of trade, increased joint ventures, transit facility, reduction in transaction cost, benefit to least development country. Negative effects of SAFTA: increased competition, political instability, revenue loss to the government. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technological and Economic Cooperation, BIMSTEC. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technological and Economic Cooperation, BIMSTEC, is a regional organization involving a group of countries in South Asia and Southeast Asia. These are Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan, and Nepal. It has been working on the Free Trade Agreement, FTA, and is looking forward to finalize it soon. Institutional structure and arrangement of BIMSTEC. Annual ministerial meetings, senior officials committee, a working group, specialized task forces, and other mechanisms. Objectives of BIMSTEC: to create an enabling environment for rapid economic development, accelerate social progress in the sub-region, to promote active collaboration and mutual assistance, to provide assistance to each other, to maintain close and beneficial cooperation with existing international and regional organizations, to cooperate in projects that can be dealt with most productively on a sub-regional basis. World Trade Organization (WTO). The World Trade Organization (WTO) is an international organization that deals with the rules of trade between nations at the global level. It was established in 1st January 1995. It is the successor of GATT. It works for liberalizing world trade. Principles of WTO: trade without discrimination, most favored nation (MFN), national treatment, free trade, predictability, promoting fair competition, encouraging development and economic reforms. Structure of WTO: Ministerial Conference, General Council, Trade Policy Review Body, Dispute Settlement Body, Councils on Trade in Goods and Trade in Services, Secretariat and Director General, Committee on Trade and Development and Committee on Trade and Environment. Positive impacts, opportunities of WTO membership to Nepal: trade expansion and diversification, attract foreign direct investment, transit rights, private sector development, constructive handling of disputes, rule-based system, cost of living, more choice of product and qualities, preference, employment generation and economic growth, encourages good governance. Negative impacts, threats of WTO membership to Nepal: threat to the domestic businesses, revenue loss to the government, negotiation for more benefits.